To make muga silk, laborers must unwind a muga caterpillar's cocoon into a single long seamless thread. And to make just one sari, about 1,000 cocoons need to be unraveled. A sari made of muga silk can cost up to $6,500, thousands more than other saris. But the caterpillars needed to make the cocoons, also called muga seeds, might be in danger of disappearing. And without them, farmers can't produce muga silk at all.
পখিলা ফুটুৱাই খৰি কৰা সূৰ্য উদয় হোৱাৰ পৰা সূৰ্য অস্ত যোৱালৈকে তেওঁলোকে এই কৃষি কাৰ্যত নিমজ্জিত থাকে।
They pick a male and female moth to mate and tie the female to the corica, a stick with a hook made of thatch grass or twine. This is where the female will lay its eggs. Rearers then transfer the corica to a sam tree, the host plant for muga worms. Here, tiny ash-colored larvae known as chai muga hatch and begin to feed on the leaves. But the larvae are vulnerable at this stage, so farmers need to keep a watchful eye to ensure they can form the cocoons needed to make muga silk. After 1 or 2 months, they can collect the mature caterpillars. Here, the caterpillars rest and weave their cocoons for 3 days, until they fully empty the silk glands and enter pupation. Not all cocoons are used for silk. Some are stored in the sakori pera, a bamboo box for keeping cocoons and moths so farmers can continue breeding muga worms. The hatched cocoons are used for rougher fabrics, such as winter clothes and blankets. But the most expensive muga fabrics come from unhatched cocoons.